Nothing delivers the latest and greatest in car wash technology like our Mark 7 SoftLine². Whether your business has a 50-foot bay or a fully loaded tunnel, the SoftLine²'s variability means it can accommodate any business. The SoftLine² is designed and built at our German factory. Take advantage of the legendary German engineering and manufacturing processes that are not available anywhere else in the US. The wash experience can be tailored from the very beginning. From the entrance gantry that can be customized to fit your brand, down to the multiple controller options allowing you to maximize uptime and adapt washes to individual customer needs. The powder-coated frame system is available in over 15 different colors. Harnessing linear technology, this tunnel system contours the vehicle closely, ensuring the wash spends maximum contact time in hard-to-clean areas. The top and side brushes follow the vehicle to create optimal contact time. This ensures a clean, shiny car with every wash. The top and side brushes can also be customized and combined to accommodate your site's particular needs. Inside the wash, high-pressure beams utilize contour tracking linear technology, closely following the vehicle for a spotless clean. These beams pay close attention to the front and rear of the vehicle, where the car needs it most. The contouring dryers perfectly follow the shape of the vehicle to deliver an exceptionally dry car. And to save you money, the contouring dryers on our SoftLine² are some of the most efficient in the industry. Current users have seen as much as a 40% decrease in energy costs with Mark 7. Finally, for added flash, our patented foam sensation is the extra revenue boost your car wash needs, complete with an LED light show that will keep customers coming back. This tunnel system is completely modular, and with Mark 7, you can select the components you need to configure your wash your way, matching the available space and delivering the final result your customers expect. For the pinnacle of clean and customer satisfaction, there's no tunnel system more robust, customizable, or effective on the market today. To learn more about the SoftLine², visit mark7.net.